Hello, hello, hello everyone, hello. Am I being heard well? Can everyone hear me? No fucking way. Alright, so big reveal. Yo, we are in the Netherlands. A tiny bit loud, shit. How about now? Yo, we are in the Netherlands in my hotel room. Crazy. They gave me this super fucking fancy water bottle for some fucking reason. Look at this thing. And like this super fancy glass as well. Program of water right here. That is good water. So, plans for today. Read about Navmesh. Because AI and stuff. So, let's just go and recast Navmesh and figure it out. I hope my stream isn't lagging too much because like I'm using the hotel Wi-Fi. I don't even know if it's like limited or something. It might cut at any moments. So hopefully that doesn't happen, but I hope it won't. First arriving in the city, first thing I do is launch a stream. I'm cooked. Lagging sometimes, probably because I'm streaming in 1080p as well. But we should be fine, surely. We should be fine. My phone is overheating as fuck, Jesus. Bitrate down. Increase font sizes. Yeah. Decrease bitrate. Settings. Nope. Settings. Outputs. Let me put it down to 4,000. How is it now? Let me see. How does it look? Light team not gonna make it. Kill yourself. Listen, my stream right now, blind by 30. Listen, it is a small laptop screen. I don't have much. I need it. Like I see better that way. I'm not blind. I don't wear glasses. But yeah, reminder where we left off. And where I did stuff about you guys. Sorry. But I made this little player controller. Like I made it so you can't look out of bounds using array casts, right? So now we can move around, move the camera, and most importantly, if I can get it from my bag, this little piece of work, I can connect it to my PC, and it should say controller connected at some point, please. Because Steam input takes over. It's kind of cringe. There you go. Okay, and I can move around with my controller, and that's fucking cool. Wait, did my stream just crash? Never mind, it didn't. Yeah, I can move around my controller, dude. It's so cool. So yeah, I made a new input system. That's what we made, yeah, last week. And that works. It's cool. And yeah, perfect. So we have a few objectives for the game. Yeah, I'm gonna do fixed camera angles, but that's like super easy. How's the hotel? Dude, low-key, it's kind of fire. I have my bathroom that's like right here. My door, a chair, my bed. But yeah, we are gaming. Let me just pour myself a glass of that fancy ass water again. Mmm. Mmm. That is some fire some fire water. Fire water. So yeah, a few things. That's mostly the objective, like all the things I need. And also, yeah, that's all the things I need code wise to have all the like the building blocks for my game. And AI Navmesh is probably gonna be the hardest one alongside animation. So yeah, let's do Navmesh. Let me just mute my notifications. Okay, so what is a Navmesh and how does it work? Most modern complex 3D games rely on Navmeshes to drive the pathfinding and AI agent movement and navigation. Simplified view of the traversable area of game worlds. Optimized for AI pathfinding and movement calculations. Usually built from the physical layer of the world, since we define the areas and AI can legally exist. Okay. Crime was a Navmesh pathfinding graph, energies between adjacent polygons between these nodes. Pathfinding queries consider a pathfinding superfetched polygons to represent the corridor of space that leads the agents for a goal. The polygonal path is refined to a sequence of line segments through a string pulling algorithm. Agents can then follow the sequence of waypoints to reach their goal. Cool. Agent attributes. A Navmesh is usually tailored to a specific type of AI agent with a specific size and set of capabilities. After all, areas that have the areas that a huge ogre or a medium human or tiny mouse can move in are very different. Build multiple Navmeshes for the same environments to accommodate different agent types. I see ya. Some supporting attributes as radius and height. Okay. Think of these values as representing either a cylinder or a capsule. Cool. A maximum slope value defines the steepest angle geometry a character can walk. This helps ensure it doesn't try to walk up or down steep cliffs. Finally, a maximum step up height defines the highest obstacle an AI agent can step up. This helps Recast know that an AI shouldn't get stuck thinking it can't step over a small curb or flight of stairs. Okay. While a Navmesh is a simplified version of a world's collision geometry, it is solving a fundamentally different problem. Very often, okay. Navmesh is faster, so let's embrace and extremely precise optimal paths. Okay. Details of an AI movement control to demonstrate how path following should work with the paths generated by Navmesh path queries. So I don't need detour then. Or maybe I do, I don't know. Okay, what is Recast Navigation? Fully automating the Navmesh building process, loading and streaming Navmesh data, pathfinding and querying Navmeshes at runtime, controlling AI agent movement, and more. What's her name? Okay, Miko Mononen. Who is this guy? I do follow him. And I guess it's lagging too much for it to load. No, there's his banner. No, Finnish guy. Shipped in countless indie games, AA titles, and commercial and open source game engines such as Unity, Unreal, Godot, and O3DE. Goddamn. Recast is the process that automates the Navmesh building process and is what most games and game engines use. Detour is a set of runtime system for working with Navmesh data, performing path queries, and controlling agent movements. Okay. Overall makes sense. Recast builds Navmeshes into okay. Takes your input geometry converts to box, solves performance transformations for and total voxel data. It retriangulates voxels into an output Navmesh. This has a number of benefits. Robustly handles large amounts of overlapping geometry, small triangles, and imperfect geometry. Allows for large amounts of custom K. Poster check. My bad, gang, my bad. Recast showcases two approaches to building Navmeshes in the Recast demo product. Okay, calc grid size. Goddamn. Okay, cool. Where's the code? Where is the code? Recasts samples somewhere, perchance. Tests, maybe recasts. Where are the samples? Am I dumb? There. Wasn't demo. Makes sense. Save all. Because you can save the nav meshes, that's good. Load. Debug mode. I have no idea what I'm watching. Right, handle build. Yeah, that's what we want. Get nav mesh bounds minimum, get nav mesh bounds maximum, get vertices. Okay, now dumb question, but do I have to do this per GLTF node, or do I have to make it like for a full? No, I should probably do it per primitive, I assume. What's Talmesh? Oh, what am I seeing? Oh my god. Yay! Basecam. So I assume I have to do this per primitive. which makes sense. So that means I can get the mesh bounds, min max. Yeah, I signed up for the word graph one. I need to do the setup actually, but yeah, I signed up for that. Okay, I have to specify the cell size and height. Okay, slope angle, walkable heights, walkable climb, age length, mean region. Start timer. That's where he does all the building. Goddamn. Well, that is not gonna be easy, but we can do it. All these functions, man, Jesus. But thankfully we should be fine. I hope. Recast. Okay. So I'm assuming I could do like struct nav mesh and have a dt nav yeah, it's right here. Oh, detour. They're just detour.h, no. Detour nav mesh.h. So I don't need to do this anymore because it's right here. And then I have dt nav mesh query. Like this. Black to white to black. Yep. So we're looking on Reddit is chat reading the library source code. Yeah. I mean, it's just I don't think there's gonna be much things on Reddit, right? You can just look about. What is a DT crowd? What is a crowd? With local streamer behaviors for group. Oh, okay. So this is what's gonna like drive all the agents. Hello. 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 I'll just say agent manager. That is a shit ton of parameters. Oh Jesus fucking Christ. Goddamn. Um. Hmm. Tomp obstacles. God, what am I? What am I watching? Oh my god. Oh lord. Hmm. That is quite the sample, I see. You know what? Let me just try something. Let me clone this. I'm trying to build it myself so I can have a look for myself. I mean, I think comic mono looks good, except like especially on whites. I think it looks good. But that's my hot take. People are not ready to hear it. We'll see what happens. How do I build it? Also, building in integration. Pre-make 5 and C-make. So I need pre-make, right? Great. This is gonna be fun. Whoa. Let's see. So, yeah, just get this one. What's cooking? I'm making a video game from scratch with no engine, and right now I am working on AI Navmesh for enemy movements. So this is valid. Okay, so it's in recast demo on Trib. Yeah, and so right now my game is to be a horror game, pretty much. I should name it to SDL and normally lib. Yeah, this exists. Cool. So now, can I just use CMake for that? Compiler cannot be found. Wow. What's better, C or C++? Both are great. Both are great. It depends on what you're trying to do, but both are good. Remake. Download. Windows. Dude, Microsoft, fuck you. Microsoft antivirus, fuck you. Leave me alone. Okay, cool. So now how do I build this shit? Pre-make 5 BS. Okay. Oh gosh, I can tell this is gonna fry my PC. Oh god. We got this, we got this. My PC will survive. Hopefully. Place it's in no belts. Bin? No. Also, let's look at the models. We have dungeon. Math test. Well, that's cool, but like, we're OBJ files. What if I want to have like a GLTF file? We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Okay, so I run the scripts. Now where is it? Contrib? Nope. Where? Bruh. Bro, where am I dumb? Where did it generate it? Wasn't built. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, so I want the demo. Startup projects. Okay, build me this. Show me what you got. Choose sample. Solo mesh. Choose mesh. Dungeon. Oh, I'm done. Okay. Okay, so let's say your start is here, right? Build. Oh, okay. Fuck. That's pretty cool to see, I'm not gonna lie. Walkable voxels. Okay. Random points. Random starts. Okay. Then I guess you can like how do I just make it walk? Oh no. How do I make it walk now? So if I hold space, it's gonna iterate through the things, right? Damn. You just follow. Right now it's private, but there is a mirror if you want, which is at GitHub. There you go. You walk up here. Oh damn. Okay, cool. So how do I make it like actually? Right. Well, now can you like walk or something? How to make it walk? Button doesn't seem that bad, especially if you can like save it and load it. Wow. Wow, we have a crash. Wow, wow, wow. So what's Talmesh? Okay, so create all. Builds, create all. Well, that isn't really. Oh no, it's not mine. I've manually created. I mean, the nav mesh is created automatically. That's this makes no sense. I don't understand a single thing of what I'm reading right now, but you know, nav test. Sure. Right. Builds. That doesn't look very voxelized, but you know, sure. Um, I mean, I don't see creating any tiles. That's the thing. There you go. Here, here. This looks incredibly complicated, so I'm not gonna lie. What's stump? Oh wow, it is stump. It's not taking into account the heights. This should be the ends. Oh wow, it really is broken. Maybe it's because I should put the max climb higher. Okay, now I'll try it. There you go. Now I can walk up. Nice. Okay, so I see how it works. It's pretty nice. Create crowds. Yeah, put them everywhere. Select agents, you. Right, how do I make them move around? Huh. Now let's get you guys over here. Well, I mean, that's kind of slow, but outside of that, that's pretty cool. Whoops. So your target's here now. The way it fucking jumps is like killing me. But it is working, so you know, it's pretty cool. Why is the simulation so slow though? Can you make the simulation run faster? That would be cool. Something like, you know, 60 FPS. Let me see if I can modify myself. Pretty I can. Source sample. This is 30. I think it's 30. No, entire current project 30. Oh, so it is just this low. No, I give you the source code for my game. If on the source code for the simulation, it is this. Yeah, yeah. Oops. Because this is what I want. For language building system. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so how do I? Because it's not normal the simulation runs at like 30 FPS. Surely I can change it. No? Or is it just gonna be this slow? I mean, I guess I can like interpolate it, so it's fine, but still. Crowd tool. Agent bounds. Is there a way to potentially I'll just read the docs. I'll just read the docs. Yoink. I think I have all of these. Right. We're going to ext. Recasts. Yeah. Yeah, I do. Runtime remeshing. Well, it's cool, but like, how? Wait, am I being stupid? Um, Navmesh tree using recasts. From a GLTF, perfect. Well, I mean, that doesn't really help me, does it? What about the game? Is this part of it? What do you mean, is this part of it? The thing we just ran? No, that's just a sample from the library I'm gonna be using. The game right now looks like, oh shit. Right now the game looks like this. It's still very early stage, you know. I can move around. I can, enter doors if physics are being nice. Yeah, nothing really special for now. But we're gonna try to put enemies. Also, why is this collider so cringe? Triggers, translates. It's right here. Okay, that's better. Introduction. Okay, so we need to calculate the grid size. We'll do something like void navmesh init navmesh mesh um const speed vector glm vec3 positions. Something like this. Yeah. All right. WNAI dot cpp. Alright, so RC calc grid size. What does it take? The bounds, cell size, and size. Okay. So, not me. Calculate bounding box. Which? Show me the source code. The source code, please. Goddamn. Source. Handle builds. Okay, so let's. Yeah, okay, right, because it's a vec3. So that way we get the bounding box, right? Vertices. Yeah, okay. RCV copy. What? Vector copy? I don't need that. Or do I? What is mconfig? Sample. RCconfig. We'll start easy. Handle build. Okay, so we're gonna have all this. So we'll just do mesh config. So cell size. We'll just look at what they use. Include civil mesh. Or just sample. Okay, but where do we set it? Structure maybe? Sets tool. Handle settings. There has to be default settings somewhere. Does it just not have default settings? Because I don't believe that at all. Main. I wish I could just do that honestly. It would be easier. Where do they put the fucking settings? Like if I search for MCFG or M cell size, proximity grid. That's already helping right now. There we go. Sample. Nope. Okay, common settings. Now we have everything that we want. Cell size 0.3f, mesh, config.cell heights, the 0.2f. Agents, heights, walkable slope angle, agent's max slope, which is 45. Walkable heights. Max climb, we'll put it to 1.5. Actually, no, just 1. Walkable radius. Oh, wait, we don't need to do that, right? We just do that. Which is definitely easier, so let's do that instead. Agent's heights is 2.0. Max climb is 0.9, radius 2, edge 12, M cell size is 12.3. Why is this not just this? Okay. No one hears a word they say. Edge max error 0.3, region min size 8, region merge size 20, verts per poly 6, and detail sample distance 6, cell size mesh config.cs, detail sample distance, so this, sample max error 1, and this is just mesh config.ch. Okay, so we have all of our settings, cool. Edge max, real. Type corner, I think, yeah. Right, so this should be, yeah. So destination source. We can calculate the grid size. Let's. Okay, that should be enough. This should be include W1 outputs. Okay, let's try it out just for funsies. Let's put in GLTF. I think we have a vector for positions. Yeah, okay, I do. Okay, so if gen collisions, which I've already do the same for the nav mesh. So we'll just say this is le physics, and this is le AI. Here I include W1 AI just temporarily so I can make a nav mesh inits nav points. This should just be points. And indices should just be indices. Oh, right. Oh, shit. Like this, and then here I can just do GLM points and a nav mesh free of nav and see how it holds up. If it crashes or anything. I knew this was gonna happen. Well. Look who we have here. Hi, I'm doing good. It's a bit dark in here, not gonna lie. Okay, the view is kind of nice though. I am just chilling. Because we have build error. Why? Where the fuck is RC add span? It's in rasterization. It's right here. What the fuck? Hello? Am I tweaking? I probably forgot to link one of those. No, I do have both. Huh? So, where do I build recasts? Okay, here. Detour, recasts. Yep. Yep, it's here. I do have rasterization here. Oh, it's this that it doesn't have. It's recast asserts. Edging goaded. Okay, does it crash? No crash. And it does build the thing. Like, this doesn't seem too weird, I guess. But that is a height of 0. But I guess that does make sense in a way. For some colliders. Huh. Okay. I mean, I'll take it. Let's close that. Okay, so we have our grid size. Cool. Allocate height field. What is this? Search for this symbol. No, not beam in. What is this? Dude, GitHub search is so bad sometimes. What is this? Height fields. Right. Height fields. So you do mesh height fields, RC alloc height fields. If mesh height fields fails to allocate height fields. And remove that. I'm assuming here we have to do RC3 height fields mesh height fields. And then you have to do if RC creates height fields, which will take a MCTX, which I have no idea what that is. What is MCTX? Build context. And what is a build context? Oh, okay. Public RC content. Do I have to? Okay, no, I don't. I don't need to overwrite this. It's just for logging. Okay. So this can be null, I assume. I hope. Like it can be. So we also take mesh height fields. And it takes our mesh config.width heights, min bounds, b min, b max, cs, and ch. And we'll just do log Navmesh failed to create ice fields. Any errors? Nope, I don't see any errors. I should probably do throw error. AI error. Put that shit's here too. Again. It is even pretty dark in here. Let me see if there's any lights I can turn on. I know errors, cool. Lights, any lights in here? Let me see. There you go. Cool. What exactly is a mesh? A mesh is a set of points connected together to form triangles that can then be rendered on the screen. So for instance, if I open a Blender, actually I don't even need to open a Blender. I can go into Zonder, white noise, assets, GLTFs, road. I'll just go into corridor. No, actually road's probably better for that example. So here we have one of my levels, right? And here if I go into this, show me the vertices. Or those triangles. You can see that each triangle on the door is visible, right? And those form the actual geometry, right? Or for instance, on the little lamppost right here, or the wall right here, there's multiple polygons. Dude, I have no idea, but like it seems to have 10 million vertices. I just took it off Sketchfab. I don't know, but yeah, I don't even fucking know. Okay, actually, maybe 2 million versus toothbrush, by the way. Whoops. It doesn't mean to like it doesn't have to be a triangle. What's nice about what's nice about GLTF, the model format I'm using, is that you can specify like what type of geometry you use. It can be lines, points, triangles. But in general, I'm gonna use triangles. Let me go into another scene, potentially maybe a player. Just a capsule. And you can see the individual vertices and triangles. All the points. Yeah. That's for a mesh, right? But then there's models, which is a collection of meshes that are usually ordered in trees. So for instance, imagine I have this water bottle and this glass, right? And those are two like individual objects in my model. What I can do is have it like just put it at the index of the origin of my scene, and then transform them into a matrix. So when I traverse the tree, I can do so multiply this matrix by the parent matrix, etc. Just like a hierarchy of transforms to transform all the geometry properly. And it's the same thing you can see in Blender. If, for instance, I open my goat sponsor, import gltf, dev, oni, assets, models, sponsor. Well, here's like conjoined, but each mesh is a node in a tree. And yeah, you transform them using a tree, basically. All right. Anyway. Try areas. Ooh, right. Now what the fuck is n tries? Get triangle count. Yep, they are. Coordinates in 3D space. A NC mark. Walkable triangles. No contexts. Mesh. Config. Walkable. Slope angle. Vertices. Points. Positions. That's data. Number of vertices, positions, size, indices.data, indices.size. What is it an int? What's int corner indices? Areas. I'm guessing also do RC. No, mesh. Try areas. Okay. Keep inter results. And I need to rasterize them. Okay. Oh, so I don't actually, I can just do it after. Okay. Triangles. No. This will be the same thing here. Oh, whoops. Vertices. What? Inverts try. Let's take the mesh. Try areas. Then take mesh. What is M solids? I forgot what is M solids. Oh yeah, height fields. And mesh config dot walkable climb. We'll do log navmesh. Failed to rasterize triangles. Row error. AI error. So what is it not happy about? Peak definition. Vertices, tri-area IDs. And verts, yeah. Wait, what? There you go. This is also in definition. Number of vertices, yeah. Okay, I do need to put the mesh. Let's use indices. Size. That should be okay. No, still no. So contexts, vertices, vertices dot size, triangles, tri-areas, number of triangles. Yeah, there is a threshold. Well, it should be okay now. Why is it not happy? Also, let's make it easier to read by just better. So what is it not happy about? That's what I'm using. Yeah, that's what I'm using. Tell me why you are not happy. Tell me why. Oh, it is. Okay, so it is happy. It's just intelligence. Hello? Okay, no, it is not happy. What? Is this because this is not an ins? Ins. So, contexts, vertices, number of vertices, triangles, yeah, const, I guess. Tri-areas. Number of indices. Height fields. Oh, I know. Why is it? Because it's this. Okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Okay. I see you. I see you. Run. Crash. Okay. It's not even giving me an error. It's just like a crash. Let's remove this first. No. Just not happy if I do that. Yeah. So it crashes, but why? Is it this a crash? Does this crash? Or is it something else? Okay, it's something before. It's this. Why? Okay, so context, nope, nothing. Position, yeah. Triangles, number of triangles and tri-areas. Yeah, no, this should be good. Maybe the way I'm making it, I assume. He's not happy about it. This should also be okay, right? We just readjust all that to make it easier to read. Let me just check my phone real quick. My phone is absolutely heating the fuck out right now. Jesus. Okay. So, um, this crashes. Is it the MEMS that crashes? Potentially. Could be. I doubt it's that, but you know. It is not the MEMS that crashes. It is definitely this. Probably the way I give the vertices, I assume. So what we could do is vertices for auto vertex. Just do vertices dot pushback vertex dot x to y z. Here I can do, yeah, that's y. Yeah. Vertices dot size, vertices dot data. That's y. Data. Memory footprint, disgusting, but it works. We'll fix it if the load times get weird with this. Still no, okay, why? Now that is weird. Why do you crash? I guess I can just debug it honestly. VSub and mark walkable triangles. So it does not like that. Calculate triangle normal. Interesting. Probably doesn't like the cast I'm doing, is my guess. So I guess we can also make something for indices. It's triangles. For auto index indices triangles dot pushback index. Make it an int, please. Yeah, I think it's valid because like it's probably interpreting the data not a good way. It's my guess at least. Dude, fuck, what? Am I not, maybe like the mesh I'm giving it in is wrong? Like it's expecting a certain, I don't know, dude. I don't fucking know. Still the same problem for some reason. Oh yeah, this should be triangles. By the way, BT dubs. I might even and tries, yeah. Should that be divided by 3, maybe? Probably. I need to see what they give as an inputs, because it's weird. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to give it. Certain failed. Okay, so ever crash or don't crash. How about we try and look at Navmesh examples. Restack IO. Oh, that is AI generated. Okay, so fuck you. You know, is this AI generated or am I tweaking? Pathfinding. This is written by an AI, right? Like this is not actually. Yeah. Okay. Lame, lame, lame. That's the example that we use. Cool. That doesn't really help. What the fuck is this feed? Calculates path. Free path array. Yeah, but how do you generate that shit? Okay, load the theme. Check Discord when you can, please. Let me check that out right now. In the realm, nobody works like that. You know what? Maybe I do need ChatGPT. Now I'm sure there's documentation. Recast navigation documentation. Docs. Where are the docs? Class, classes, files. So Rust. Okay, so mark walkable triangles is part of recastled CVP. So let's take a look at that. We'll just look at .h. Okay, what is this? Consider walkable vertices. Yep. Times number. What's NV? NV? Oh yeah, right. I'm done. Vert A, vert B, vert C times NT. Oh. Uh-huh. Indices, size 2, E plus 3. I'm guessing something like this. Well, you know, it's basically the same, but whatever. The question is, why do you crash? Why do you crash? Hmm. Well, this makes sense though. So I'm not sure why is it tweaking. Am I passing the right stuff maybe to the GLTF? Indices, GLM points. Nope, that is correct. That is definitely correct. Vec free untransformed points. Yep. What did I just do to the trash can? Let's try to at least fix the bug before I go back to doing something else. So it's definitely like a memory stomp error. But why? It's all I started. It's mark. Vertices, triangles. It is vertices and triangles. Yeah, that makes sense. Mm-hmm. So here's gonna freak out for some reason. Yeah, it's gonna freak out. Why? By all means, do you crash? Calculate normal. It would be nice if like we could manually adjust like at least provide the normals. That would be cool. Yeah, I mean, one other thing that I wanted to show in streaming is that it doesn't always go well. Check if the face is walkable. Dude, I can just do that myself. I can do it myself, genuinely. I will do it myself. In fact, I will do it myself because I already have the normals. Why would I do it? Yeah, I'll just do it myself. How about instead of this, you take a fucking GLTF vertex? Yeah, bitch. GLTF vertex vertices. So we don't need this anymore. Dude, what? Oh, right, because what is it again? No min max. Right. No min max. There you go. Okay, so now this can fuck off. We'll do it ourselves. So, for we'll just do a little scope. Notes, put this here. Mark walkable triangles. Const floats walkable thresholds equals std plus floats mesh config walkable slope angle rc pi oh yeah right oh so it's just like 2 radians. Okay, so we can just do glm radians of this. Then we can do for auto. No, we need to do the thing like 0 type of indices dot size plus if vertices I dots yes positions I dot normals dot y above walkable thresholds, then mesh try areas I equals RC walkable area. Do it myself, bro. Do it myself. Error. Yeah, because in gltf.cpp now, it's gonna ask for this. No one hears a word they say. Okay, we're good. This is already better. So now we have an assertion. Line form 82. Well, it's already better than nothing. Okay, okay, so it needs a context for that. Great. Cringe. RC context CTX new RC context dimensional the worlds. That song has been in my head for like the past fucking 4 hours. No one hears a word they say as defeat. Okay, now it crashes. ¿Por qué? Freebase. Pardon? Huh? What the f- Pardon me? What? Crazy, try again. Oh, it works now. Oh, okay. Huh. Huh. And here it crashes. And here it doesn't crash. What the sigma? So it crashes sometimes. My guess is that I have too much shit going on. I don't even need this. Oh, that's why it crashes. That's why it crashes. This is just indices. Boom. Is it just like out of memory or something? I don't know. Like why do you crash? Oh, there you go. Now it's not happy. It did need that thing we did earlier. then like it's the same thing. I guess it's not. Um, wow. This is still same problem here. Try BB1. Perchance. Imagine. Well, I mean, it got farther than the other one, but here it does crash. Here it's gonna crash. No crash. There you go. Now it crashes. For whatever fucking reason. Crashes here of all places. What? Wow. Hmm. Oh, dude, I'm fucking dumb. What am I doing? Of course it's gonna crash. Well, well, well. Frick, fracking idiot. Yay! Once this, okay, is it gonna crash again or okay? It's just gonna work now. Well, it seems like it works, so you know, I'm gonna assume it works for now. Like we only got the restoration of triangles working, so we don't know yet. But I think I'm gonna call it here. I've got some friends to meet up with in like half an hour. But yeah, honestly, hotel stream, goated, absolutely goated. Um, I'll see and maybe do some work. What was the difference though? The difference is that here I was indexing using I, but I should have done indices I. Oh yeah, because basically the indices array is to index into the positions array. It's like when you have a vertex buffer and index buffer, same thing, basically. Oh, hello, Knights. You're joining pretty late. I'm gonna go now. Yeah. But I'll be streaming tomorrow, and potentially the day after, and potentially after. Let me just commit that. Add edits. Edits basic navigation instruction starts. Yep, no worries. But yeah, thank you for coming, everyone. I appreciate it. I'll post the VOD later tonight when I'm back home. All right, bye bye.